To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. On the search bar you will see the Meta AI button. Tap on it. You will then see some suggested prompts. Swipe left to see more prompts. You can select any of these. Read what can Meta AI do, and then tap Continue. Meta AI will respond to you in a chat, where you can continue the conversation. An AI's response may not be accurate or appropriate, so you should not use it to make important decisions. You can also tap the text box to enter your own prompt. Similar to other chats, conversations with AI are subject to the community standards and terms of service. Now tap the Send button. Meta AI will respond based on your query. AIs have only been trained in English, which may result in lower quality responses for languages that currently aren't supported. Swipe down to see the full response. Go back when you are done using Meta AI. So these are all the things you need to know about using Meta AI on WhatsApp.